Hi, it's time for a new recipe. Today I'm going to be making fudge truffle cheesecake. It's a great recipe. First of all, we'll start preheating the oven to 300 degrees. Then I've gone ahead and took 2 cups of the semi-chocolate morsels. I put them in the microwave on 1.5 minutes and till it's softened up and all blended together. Then I had to do it another 15 seconds. So when the consistency is like this, it's ready to go. Next thing I did, I have 3 packages of Philadelphia cream cheese. Take them here and I started to blend them up with my Cuisinart Smart Stick. Then we're going to take, I'm using Eagle brand sweetened condensed milk, 14 ounces, and just keep adding this in and blending it. Then we'll blend it a little more. Okay, then we're going to take 4 eggs. And we're going to also use 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And since I like chocolate, I'm going to put a little bit of this cocoa in too. Then we'll blend this all together. Now we're going to mix in the 2 cups of chocolate that we melted. Then we're going to mix this all together. Now I'm going to pour it into a pre-made chocolate ready crust. Now I'm going to put it in the 300-degree oven for 1 hour and 5 minutes. Be right back. After you take it out of the oven, make sure you put it on a wire rack until it cools down. Then you can take and cover it, put it in the refrigerator for at least a couple of hours. I have 2 of the cheesecakes, but if you want 1 big one, you can use a spring pan. And here it is with some powdered sugar on it. Remember, serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching.